Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. We got Juana Silva first in the chat. Por fin la primera, number one. Numero uno. Let's go, Juana Silva. We've got Pudgy. Beat today, Pudgy. Sorry, man. Sorry. Juana Silva is number one. Not only my heart, but in the chat as well. Architect, afternoon. How you doing? John J. Alvarez. John J., you gotta say hi to me before you say hi to Juana, man. Come on. Now, look, I will admit, okay, my eyes, they're burning right now. So, I might stay little screen for quite some time. Otherwise, you guys are gonna see me like this. What? I can't see. Yeah, so if you see me crying, it's not because I miss Juana. It's because my eyes are burning. Love the allergies. Let's see what we got going on in the market right now. AMC down almost 7%, 6.77 at $12.40. Trying to get some green candles in there. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1079. It down 3.75% right now. GameStop 131.87. Giving back its gain from earlier today, but still not as bad as it was this morning. Sitting at $1.54% lower, $131.85. Bitcoin testing that $29,000 level. Coming down here, 29.4, bouncing off of it, sitting at 29.5 right now. If we go over the NASDAQ, we can see it's a very difficult day for the market. The NASDAQ is down to 12,000 points right now. On a daily, we can still see that it is higher than its recent lows. That is good. Trading sideways over the last couple of days, but man, I do not want to be retesting support at 11,000 again. That would be bad. I do not want to see that happen. Biora Therapeutics sitting at 79 cents. It was at 77 cents earlier, so bouncing off those lows there. Sitting at 79 cents flat right now, down 1.62%. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all having a pretty rough day today. Sundial sitting 2% lower at 37.84. Mullen Auto about to break even on the day at $1.26. Coming down and touching $1.24 right there. $1.23 is break even. I had to see that there. 4 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 3 cents. CEI, Camber Energy, sitting at 65 cents per share. Break even on the day. SPY down 1.5. BBIG down 4.5. Highcraft Mining down 8.5 to $1.31. Netflix sitting down 3%. And Redbox sitting down 4.5% right now. Bouncing off some intraday lows down here at 603. Sitting at 634 right now. Redbox, man, I'm telling you, Redbox is a pretty volatile stock. It's going to be interesting to see what happens with Redbox. I know you guys are actually, some of you guys out there following the Redbox short squeeze numbers better than I am. You guys got any updates on what those numbers would be? Or if not, I mean, it's completely fine. I just know you guys follow those Redbox numbers better than I do. Or Juana. Juana is here. Shiba and Juana, number one. No. Come on now, Remy. I see what you're trying to do here. And Clay. Yeah, that's right, Remy. That's right. Clay number one, too. Wouldn't want it now. A Walmart Equate Allergy, a DM at best $9 you will ever spend. Almost 1,000% better than all expensive allergy medicines. If that doesn't work, eat tacos. John J., I think I will just go with the latter and eat tacos, man. There's a very good chance I walk in the bathroom and get a wet rag or something to calm my eyes down a little bit here in a second. Maybe I turn. What if we do that? What if we turn the light down just a little bit too? It's like I'm squinting, man, trying to look at the sun. I don't know, man. Benadryl is the Equate. Is that like the same thing as Benadryl or Claritin? Benadryl works for me. First, no, Mr. Simonino, you are not first in the chat today. Come on, we know it. Notifications in here. What we got? 2 minutes ago. Are we lagging, guys? Are we lagging? 2 minutes ago, we've got dropped frame rate detection. Seems like we're sitting on 26% frames being dropped over the last couple of minutes. Any of you guys noticing that we are skipping frames here? Or is that just nonsense? No, Clay, I was first. Don't trip. Simonino, you were not first, man. Juana Silva first in the chat today and every day. Yeah, Simon, you know, Simon. Overall, guys, very, very brutal day today. Here's what I hate to see. I hate to see, massive declines in a lot of the stocks that we watch on here. 6-7% down on AMC. GameStop kind of breaking even today. Not a terrible day for GameStop. A lot of volatility and some really big green candles and some really big red candles today. So hopefully GameStop's able to finish in the green. But man, I hate to say when the Nasdaq, or I hate to see when the Nasdaq is basically just breaking even over the last couple of days. But we've really been hitting some hard red days in the stocks that we watch. That part I don't like, because as the Nasdaq falls even further, then these stocks I would assume that they're going to fall even further as well, and hit maybe even lower lows than the Nasdaq. Like if the Nasdaq's re-hitting a low here, I wouldn't find it impossible for AMC to turn back over and retest this $9 to $10 level, maybe even before the Nasdaq comes back down here and touches 11,000 points per coin. My gosh, listen to me. 11,000 points on the index. But hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully we're able to sustain this. If anything, we bounce off this 11,700 point level and move higher if it has to go lower. But man, I'm hoping that 12,000 holds up there. But difficult day overall in the market, guys. You guys can see here. I don't think we need CNR anymore on here. Coinbase getting destroyed today. Coinbase getting hit pretty hard, down 10% on the day. My gosh, Coinbase has had a hard go of it after the IPO there. What else? DraftKings getting hit pretty hard today. Man, DraftKings losing 11%. That's wow, man, going from $60 down to $9 just over the last 6 months. These stocks, man, I'm telling you, it's hard going in here. Enphase only down 1%. I know we looked at Enphase yesterday. Meet Kevin was tweeting about Enphase today. Any other major losers? Greenwich, whatever Greenwich is, Greenwich Generation Holdings, not exactly sure which one that is, retesting or touching some all-time lows here. That is definitely getting hit pretty hard. Oh, man. Highcraft Mining getting hit pretty hard, down 8%. Robinhood getting hit hard, down 5% today. IMPP is back up, so it was down to 46 cents? Yeah, 49 cents or so in the last couple of days, back up to 55. So it's up 5% there. That's not doing too bad. Lucid down 6% today. Lucid's been chilling in that $16 to $18 range though. Marathon Digital and both Riot and Mara down 6 to 10% today as Bitcoin is getting hit pretty hard. Let's see, any other major losses? Not exactly sure. Let's go back out to here. We can go back out there in a second. But I have to say, JB, I like it, man. JB coming in with that 12-month member chat. JB earning himself a maybe a Chip Bro hoodie. I don't know. What do you guys think? JB finally deserved a Chip Bro hoodie. I think JB might deserve a Chip Bro hoodie after that 1-year member chat. I like it, JB. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate the fact that you've been a member for so long. And I don't know, guys. I think that might deserve a Chip Bro hoodie for JB there. Just my thoughts. I want to know your guys' thoughts on that as well. If the consensus is yes, I think we might have to go for it. Everything turning in the red to end the day here except for Mullen Auto and Biora Therapeutics. Biora ticking around with a nice green candle there. So that's nice that it's jumping up to 80.5 cents to go green. And then Mullen Auto sitting at $1.26 right now. Just barcoding back and forth. Looks like it's going to end green today. And AMC getting a slight boost going into the close here. Sitting at $12.46, $12.45, $12.46, $44, $45, $45, $44, $44, $44, $44, $45. It's going to close at in the $12.40 range. Ooh, nice little tick up there. Hopefully it moves well and goes up. Juana's orders. No. I don't know who this is. Juana's older sister. Is this real or is this fake news? Juana's older sister. Hola, another red day, apes. Yes, we've got another red day in the market today. Very difficult day, not only for AMC and GameStop, but everything across the board, guys. Hey, bro! Jameson, man. E aí, como você tá? Espero que você tá bem. Oh, man, am I frozen here? I think I might have to reset the camera. Did I just freeze? It looks like I froze on my end. Hi, Juana's older sister. Yes, hello, Juana's older sister. It looks like we're frozen, guys. Let's go full Weeble for a second here. Man, what is this down here in the bottom? Mullen Auto getting some green candles after hours. What is up with all this after hours trading recently? It's a little ridiculous that we've got so much after hours action. AMC top left moving after hours as well. Let's close this camera out. I don't know why it froze like that. We're going to fix it, though. I'll tell you that right now. We're going to fix it. All right, we'll bring the camera back up here. All right, good deal. Camera's back up. Now, we're going to be back up. Give me 2 seconds, and we're going to be good to go. You guys can still hear me, right? Tranquilo, você. Eu tô bem. Jameson. I know Jameson said that. Yeah. Nope, I'm the older. Juana Silva. What is going on? Where's my camera? There it is. Juana said, nope, I'm the older one. Well, Juana, is it really your sister, though? Is it really your sister, Juana? If it is, Juana's younger sister, welcome to the chat. Very glad to have you if you really are Juana's sister. If you're not, if you're an imposter, you better watch out. We're coming for you. It's Be Cool time. Han Propanod, yes. Juana, tell the hermana I said hi. Well, there you go. Yeah, Simonino coming in hot. I like it. I like how she says, ha. Nope, I'm the older one. Yes, Juana, you gotta let us know, though. For real, I trust Juana. I don't know if I trust Juana's sister, but I trust Juana. Let's see here. Just forehead. B10K19. Me? Like I'm just forehead? Is that what you're saying? Or are you saying something else, man? Not exactly sure. Chipmunk ever bitten your finger? So Jeremy, good question on the chipmunk there. Like hard? No. And Chip Bro, no. Chip Bro's never bit my finger. But the little baby chipmunks, dude. For some reason, I don't know why. The baby that came last year, he bit my finger, and the baby that I fed this year, he also bit my finger. But it's not like a hard bite, dude. They basically just like put your finger in their mouth. I don't know if it's because they're testing you, and I don't know if it's because they're just blind and they have no idea what they're eating, and they just literally want to eat everything in sight. But yeah, they put their finger in your mouth, and then they got barely any teeth. But they just go, it doesn't hurt or anything. But, oh my gosh, look at AMC. Whoa. AMC up 7% right now? Inspect down, God. Oh my gosh. Well, there's your candle. Let's check out the SPY. See if we got that. Yes, we do. Similar action on the SPY. Guys, it has been like every day over the last 2 weeks that we have seen this nonsense after hours. I don't know what is causing it, but somebody needs to try and trade this ridiculous after hours action. Either in the SPY or in AMC or something. Redbox after hours jumping up 7.5% here to $6.86. Is it going to tick back down? I mean, look at this, what we got going on here, guys. This is ridiculous after-hours candles that we keep seeing. And it just keeps happening, too. If you had $400 floating, which crypto are you buying? Chipmunk, ever been? You saw that? They're twins. And I don't know who is older. I got to trust Juana. Let's see. $400, which crypto am I buying? I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's see. Buying right now, I would buy something more conservative at this point. I am almost convinced that Bitcoin is going to fall down through 10,000. In that aspect, I would rather have something conservative that does not fall as much. So maybe even a stable coin that is just going to earn some monthly interest in the meantime. Voyager, you're going to earn 9% on USDC. So it's a guaranteed 9% annual interest rate there. Unless, of course, they change the interest rate. But right now it is paying 9% annualized interest. And stablecoin, it should never move in value from $1. That's based on the fact that I do think it could fall in price. Owana is all yours. No share. Well, shoot, man. Sister's share? What? Owana has nicer hair than... No, Remy. Nobody's got nicer hair than me, dude. Come on now. You're talking crazy with that one. There are tons of them that sit on my lap at the pond near my place. Always sketched out one's gonna bite me. Jeremy, dude. Even if they bite you, I don't know. If you feed them, then I wouldn't be like terribly worried about it. But the baby ones, they want to put their finger in your mouth. And I'm sure you can tell the difference if you see like an adult right next to a baby. But the adult ones, nah, dude, I'm sure if you like grabbed it and tried to squeeze it, it would bite you. But nah. I mean, I do like get a little, like I expect the babies to put my finger in their mouth, but it doesn't really sketch me out. So, Clay Brown family, expecting after, hey, AMC Trap, we're expecting some big green candles after hours, man. We had it for about 3 seconds here on AMC, jumping up to 1339. Redbox jumping up to 686. The SPY jumping up to 416.78. Yeah, man, we had our little after hours action right here. And now, I mean, I would expect it's going to be pretty laid back now. I doubt we get any more action. Friday afternoon, gonna start the weekend. I wouldn't imagine we have too much going on. Click your dots. Military investment companies: Lockheed Martin, Boeing, Northrop Grumman, General Dynamics, Rayclaw Tech, Leidos Holdings. Since our government is doing all they can, for WW3, John Jay. Yeah, man, I wouldn't go like all in on only defense companies, but it's a good way to diversify your portfolios, and I think that they could go up if they continue to see increased revenue because of things like, potential World War III and all of that. Hopefully they don't get blocked or banned from YouTube for saying World War III, but you would expect them to do better during times of war. So if you think that it's going to continue on, yeah, man, I don't think that that's a bad sector to get into. One day closer to MOAS. Carlos, yes, every day is one day closer to MOAS, man. What do you think about XRP? Any news? So, Sergio, I like XRP, but I don't have any news on it, man. I haven't been following XRP very closely for actually a pretty long time now. I do like what they want to do. If they don't have any problems with the SEC, if they're allowed to do what they're intending to go out and do, I think they're going to be successful. The problem is, they're viewed as a centralized entity and a security as opposed to a cryptocurrency at this point. So until everything is kind of settled down with that, I'm not touching them, but I do like what they want to do. Can you explain that big green candle, the shot down to AMC? Jeremy, no. I can't explain it, man. I can't explain it. It's been happening after hours in several stocks for quite some time, and it's not on increased volume anywhere. So the shares here, only 1,800 shares traded in AMC. Redbox down here, 4 shares traded on this minute in Redbox down here. Jumping the price up to 686. You look at the SPY, a couple shares traded here, 31,000. And I mean, you're talking, 31,000 is small on the SPY compared to normal minutes. So very, very low volume spikes on these stocks. And even in order to take advantage of it, you can't really do it. What are you going to do with, 4 shares being traded on Redbox? You've got Redbox down here. 4 shares are being traded. Those aren't your 4 shares that are going to get filled there. So it's inexplicable, man. It's inexplicable. Maybe for some reason they are increasing the spread during that 1 minute time period, and a couple shares do get filled. But as far as like something making sense, no, unfortunately I can't explain it. Alright, Clay, glad to catch your show. May I ask, what's happening with Shib? Is this thing going to the abyss? The buck stops here. So no, dude, no, I don't think that Shib is going into the abyss. I think that Shib, like Bitcoin, is having a very tough time right now. The overall cryptocurrency market is not seeing gains. It is seeing a very large contraction, very large bear market. So I think that that's what's translating over into Shiba Inu coin. Updated. Juana's younger sister in the chat. Now, Juana's younger sister, thank you for updating the name. Now we know it's Juana's younger sister, not Juana's older sister. Jeremy says, hey, Jeremy, I don't know if you're talking about the candles. Maybe, dude, maybe, but only on 4 shares being traded, like on Redbox. I don't know if it's necessarily crime, man. It's such a low amount of shares that are being traded in that minute that it doesn't even really matter. Like, the share price could go up to a million, but if nobody's buying and if only 4 shares are being traded, of course it's going to come right back down. Which Voyager had price alerts. You can put on push notifications in Voyager, but I have not looked at price alerts anywhere or setting price alerts in there. Put tagged you on Twitter. I shared a post of Ryoshi telling Satoshi to immediately stop the his NFT project. That was after he deleted all of his tweets. Got an email from Medium about it. Yeah, did he do that, man? I saw that. I'm gonna talk about that in my Shiba Inu coin video a little bit tonight. One, man, I don't even think that that's the real Ryoshi. In my opinion, and I want everybody to know this is my opinion, right? I don't think Ryoshi ever existed. I don't think that the guy that actually created Shiba Inu coin ever made himself known. I think that it was just some, random dude that started some random coin and then, wanted to see what would happen with it or just send it out to try and make a go of it and then moved on. He may have bought some back at some point, but this Ryoshi, I think that this Ryoshi is the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team seeing the popularity of Shiba Inu coin after it tanked in value, very similar to the lunatics that are out there, right? If it tanks in value and these guys come in after it starts to rise, February, March timeframe, and they build up a story around Shiba Inu coin. They build up an ecosystem around Shiba Inu coin. They see that it's rising 100% day after day after day, and they want to take advantage of it. One of the best ways to do so, man, is to make it yours, to make a story, to inspire people to buy it. And I think that they came up with this story of Ryoshi as like a marketing tactic, and everybody knew that one day Ryoshi would have to disappear because it's part of his MO. And once they made him disappear, they probably just sold the domain name for the medium or got rid of it. And now, somebody that bought it was very frustrated with the price action on Shiba Inu coin, is just venting their frustrations and acting as Ryoshi in order to, potentially deter future investors or cause people to drop it so that, Satoshi and these guys that are leading the ecosystem, so they lose out as well. And, because if you go down, you got to take the whole ship down with you. And I think that's what we're seeing. Not likes the Shibs or the crypto anymore. It's because the values of the price, it won't rise even if you make purchases on the Coinbase. And now it's only goods for the scams of the Mongoloids. Okay, D. Look, man, look. Everybody probably felt even worse than we feel right now in 2018. 2018, we watched the price of Bitcoin go from like $19,000 and over the course of like a little over a year back down to $3,000. And what we're seeing now, going from $70,000 to $30,000 in Bitcoin with altcoins dropping as well, it's tough. It's tough to handle. And dude, we may end up in a period where Bitcoin sits at $10,000 per coin for the next year and a half, 2 years. Shiba Inu coin may sit at 300, 400, 500 points per coin for the next 3 years. And that would be the bear market. Mainstream media is going to tell you it's done. You're going to think that it's over with. You're going to be like, I don't know why I ever wasted my time. I don't know why I ever wasted my money. And then all of a sudden, 2024, 2025 rolls around, Bitcoin's hitting $250,000 a coin, and Shiba Inu coin is sitting at 2 zeros and a 3, and you're going to be sitting there thinking, dude, I could have 1,000x'd my money. For every stupid dollar I would have put into Shiba at its lows, I would have been sitting on $1,000. For every Bitcoin that I would have bought, I would have 30x'd my money. Like, yeah, dude, who cares? I go out there and I spend 10 grand. I'm sitting on $300,000 right now. That's the part that I don't want to miss out on. I believe in the future of crypto, and I understand that when things get bad, it can get bad for a while. But Coinbase, on the other hand, I don't know. Coinbase their stock is getting trashed. Original Wanna, older, Wanna, younger Wanna, a poll, we love them all, yes or no? I vote yes. John J, I vote yes as well, man. It says Wanna in it, I love it. Get another app for the cryptocurrency. Hey, you want another app for the cryptocurrency? You got a link in the description below for Voyager. You guys are actually going to get $50. I have not seen a better reward than $50 in Bitcoin in a long time. So if you guys want $50 in free Bitcoin, sign up and make your trade on Voyager. You're gonna get $50. So not a bad deal at all if you guys do want a different platform than Coinbase. I remember when nobody liked or believed in Bitcoin. Carlos, exactly, man. I'm going to tell you this, dude. I'm not even going to sit here and lie. I was watching Bitcoin at $400 per coin, probably back in 2012, 2013 timeframe. And, my uncle was asking me, he's like, what do you think? You think I should buy one of those Bitcoins? And I was like, look, I think it's a pretty risky investment. If you're looking at an ounce of gold sitting at $1,000 and Bitcoin's at $400, yeah, man, you can make some money. But a lot of people are pointing to the fact that only drug dealers and criminals want to use these digital currencies. Now, drug dealers and criminals, they usually perform very well. And they've got a lot of money surrounding them. It's a lot of negativity. But, in that regard, it could be very risky, and it might become illegal one day. And I actually made the decision not to invest in Bitcoin at $400 per coin. So that's tough, man. That's tough to not see the future that it could have there. I believe it's got a future, and, I absolutely remember when nobody liked it, and that's when it was sitting at $400, dude. I didn't even know about it in 2010 when it was sitting at, $1.10. You could buy 50,000 of them for $10. These bots keep you on your toes. Yeah, they do, man. They keep you on your toes too. AMC Chat. Oh my gosh, AMC Chat. We know where he's at. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Totally, Trapper. Yeah, Kim knows about it. Oh my gosh. But I don't understand why all these bots keep coming in here either. Should have bought a Bitcoin as order peeps. Hey, Kim, I'm telling you. We're going to be saying the same thing, though. If Bitcoin comes down in price, people are going to be saying crypto's dead. People are going to be saying that Bitcoin and Shiba and all these altcoins are dead. I don't think so. I truly don't think so. Even if we have to wait a while, man, if you're going to be picking up Ethereum for $150, $200 a coin, even $500 a coin, if you're going to be picking up Bitcoin for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, please consider it. I don't know. Even if you don't go in super heavy, if you think there's a chance that it is done, oh man, what a troll! Yeah, it's cheaper than it's in there. Chris, I'm telling you, man, they keep coming in here and telling me they are. It's ridiculous. I've had Mary. They keep creating again. It's ridiculous, dude. I don't understand if this is a real person that just wants to keep coming in here or what. But anytime you guys see that name pop up in the chat, boom, block them. Why my message got removed when I asked about a stock I'm invested into at my work. Jeremy, no idea, man. No idea. Sometimes YouTube holds it for review, and it's very weird, dude. It's very weird. I did not see it get removed, but sometimes YouTube doesn't even let you say the word subscribe, which is strange to me because people should encourage other people to subscribe to the channel. Like you, listening right now. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. But yeah, YouTube's very weird on what they block. The ticker is LLL. What is L? Lowe's? Yeah. L. Lowe's. What do we have here? I mean, what do you want to look at? What do we got here? CNA Financial Corporation, CNA, Boardwalk Pipeline Partners, Boardwalk Pipeline, and Lowe's Hotels Holding Corporation, Lowe's Hotels. Interesting, man. So it's a very diversified holding company between three different, I guess, companies that they hold there. Look, dude, I like this. I like this graph. There's no doubt on that. I wouldn't get into it for the dividend, that's for sure. 0.39% dividend. But after 2020, man, they have been soaring over the last 2 years and not looking back. Monthly graph, I'm not totally convinced about the monthly graph, but it does look like it has some potential longer term. This, however, I don't know what caused this. I do not like this at all right here, dropping from $100 down to $30 over a 1 month period. But this is all the way back in 2006. So I wouldn't really worry about that. Dude, it's been performing very well. It's been performing very well over the last decade. So if it's a longer term hold for you, hey man, I don't think you're going to get necessarily rich off this stock, but I don't think you really got to worry about this stock either. And that's half the battle, man, is finding something that you do not have to worry about. That you can just go to bed and wake up happy. Jameson, I really had to foresee. Yeah, it's really hard to foresee the future without Bitcoin and Ethereum. I 100% agree with you, Jameson. 100. Clay, I had 100 Ethereum at about $90 and 200 Litecoin at about $45 in 2020. Simon, did you sell those off, man, or you still got those? Because you're doing pretty well. You still got them. Wanda, thank you for the super chat. Wanda says, hello. 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 Wanda, thank you very much for the hello. Thank you for the super chat. RJT says, you guys know what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. RJT, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there right now? I know you gotta be, man. I know you gotta be. Sorry, wrong one. Let me find the ticker. Loblaws. What? I had the wrong one, man. I had the wrong one. Let's see. You in Canada? Is it L in Canada? You're just on the Toronto Stock Exchange? Looks like you got the right ticker, man, but it looks like you might be in Canada, and that's why you got a different one. Hey, still, excellent looking graph here on Loblaw, man, but this is on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Performing phenomenally since the beginning of 2021 here. Really rising. I don't know when you would have gotten in, but let's look at a monthly chart. Hey, dude. Yeah, this goes back to 2000s, the financial crash back there too. Look, I would be slightly concerned about this rate of growth. I mean, this is phenomenal growth here, going from $60 to $120, doubling in price at a very quick rate over the last year. But, dude, I mean, with that sort of steady growth, I mean, look at this year, man. It's been a phenomenal year. With this sort of steady growth, get in, put a stop loss on if you want, and I wouldn't say you got to be terribly concerned, but watch out. A break of this $119 level, and I think you can go up for another leg up, man. I'm not exactly sure what they do or anything. That's just me looking at the graph and realizing there's not much resistance in the way, but they have been growing pretty quick over the last year. So I don't know why they've had that growth. Yes, Canada. Jeremy's in Canada. See, that I didn't know, man. That I didn't know. You were on the Toronto Stock Exchange. You did have the correct symbol there. Look at Jasmine. Let me know what you think. RJT, gotcha. I sold for small dang profit. Ask me how much I regret it. Mr. Simon, how much you regret it, man? How much do you regret it? And dude, listen. I think we may be leading into another opportunity just like that, man. I think we may be leading to another opportunity just like that with the current market situation we got and how I personally don't see things getting any better anytime soon with the overall market. You know, with individual stocks, yeah, these companies can continue to grow, but people are fearful, man. People are fearful, and we have, you know, I can't blame everything on leaders, right? But it doesn't seem like those that are in charge of the news and things like that want things to get better. They feed off those fear views. What was I looking at? RJT wanted? Oh, Jasmine. Hey, Jasmine's also on Voyager. If you guys want a centralized exchange to buy Jasmine, you can get Jasmine on Voyager if you want. I don't know if they pay interest or not. If anybody can check that out right now, you know, let us know. But if you guys do want to get Jasmine coin, really simply, you can get it on the Voyager app. Extremely low in price right now. 1 cent per coin. Pull it up here. 1 cent per coin. It's up about 3%, almost 4% on the day. Very small market cap, $58 million, fully diluted. They got another 100x coins that could come out there. 5 billion coins. They got a total of 50 billion coins that could be in existence. But, yeah, I don't know. Extremely low in price based on where it's been before, guys. Think about it. Sitting at 1 cent right now. was at $4 back in the beginning of 2021. So I don't know if it'll ever get back to that range, but you'd be sitting on a 400x gain. I mean, that is a wild gain that you could have out there. Juana, thank you for the ice cream. Juana says, thank you very much, Juana, for the strawberry ice cream. I don't know how you know that strawberry is my favorite flavor, but thank you very much for the ice cream. Gosh, it makes me want to go get ice cream with Juana now. What the heck, man? Juana, I can't even go get ice cream with you, but I want to. I do want to. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Master Shiba, you as well. Work for a company paying weekly share. Hey, very nice, Jeremy. Very nice, dude. You're getting shares every week. Can't beat that, man. And the price, the graph does look good shorter term. So it's probably based on your performance. When did you start there? Beginning of 2021? Now all of a sudden, they're doubling in price since the beginning of 2021. You're making the business gain billions of dollars in value. I regret it from here to Pluto and back, Mr. Simonino. I feel you, man. I feel you. I regret not loading up on more Zcash. When it was sitting at I never saw it at $12. I never actively looked at it on that day, but $18, I did see Zcash sitting at $18, and then it jumps up to $300, man. So yeah, well, clearly everybody missed that opportunity, but I do think, well, not everybody, a lot of people took advantage of it, but I do think we could have a very similar opportunity as well. And remember, okay, this is what we got to remember: if crypto prices do fall and they go back down, like Bitcoin's at 10,000, Ethereum's at 500 or so on, it may not look as good as 2020. The prices may not look as nice. If you're looking at Ethereum, when Ethereum was at $80, let's say Ethereum drops to 300, you're still gonna wish you could have got it at $80. But from the 80, it went to 5,000. From the 300, it could go to 15,000. So the next major bull run could lead to higher prices and could lead to new all-time highs. So it's not like we have to hit those exact lows again. It's not like we have to watch Bitcoin fall all the way down to 3,000. It's not like we have to watch Ethereum fall all the way down to $80 and Zcash to 12 and all of these coins to go to their previous lows, because the potential for new all-time highs is there. You have to remember that part as well. And if you kicked yourself for not getting Ethereum at 80, you're probably going to kick yourself for not getting Ethereum at 300 to 500 again. So think about that. RJT, man, thank you for the super chat there. I can't make my dollars or my eyes turn into dollar signs, but thank you very much for the super chat. You could have taken a screenshot and put the dollar signs in there yourself if you want. Juana's younger sister of the Silva family owns the ice cream market. Boom, baby. Now that's what I'm talking about. Juana's younger sister. I like it. Let's get the ice cream market intact here. I will gladly help out with the ice cream market. Jasmine equals long-term play. Hey, RJT, it could turn out I don't know anything that Jasmine has going on. I never got into it. But yeah, dude, if you have that long-term mentality and you just don't overexpose yourself and you're willing to hold, I think you're going to be good. Love how consistent you are. Always on the live. One day it will pay off big time. Mark my words. Much appreciation. Stony Vision, appreciate you for being here, man. Yeah, I don't think I would be as consistent if I didn't like it. But I really like it, man. I do. I really like it. So I don't mind it at all. No, I've been in the share plan for 6 years of Loblaws. Jeremy Arnold. Very good, man. Very good. You got to be doing pretty well then, because that stock's been going up for the past 6 years. So you got to be doing pretty well, dude. Yo, how was your birthday? Pete, the birthday was excellent, man. Pete, when's your birthday? I did have an excellent birthday. Nothing to complain about there. Absolutely enjoyed it. Hey, why have all the moons been named but ours? Ours is named the moon, man. Remy, ours is named the moon. So that would be my guess. I've always known it as the moon. Everything else is just a moon. Ours is the moon. It's a good question, though. I don't know the answer. That would be my answer. I know it's messed up, but I hope Ethereum drops to 300 to 500. Hey, Master Shiba, it's not that messed up to have that hope. Why? Clearly I think you're looking for a buying opportunity that could lead to life-changing money, right? And I know there's a lot of people out there who would not want to hold through some sort of a bear market like that. But they also have the opportunity to sell. Everybody has the opportunity to liquidate their holdings and buy back in at a lower price. If Ethereum holders or these Ethereum whales wanted to, if they believe in the long-term growth of Ethereum, well, then they're going to have to stomach a downturn. It's not just that they're going to be hurt along the way. So they probably wish that it goes back down too, because they believe in its future and they could load up at even lower prices. It's like some of these billionaires out there, man. And I'm sure that Elon Musk doesn't want to see Tesla's stock price come down, but he believes in the future of Tesla. If the overall market conditions cause Tesla to come back down, hey, Elon Musk, dude, if it drops 50% in value, if it comes back down to $300-400, he's going to be sitting on a $100 billion loss. And I don't know if he's going to buy any more of Tesla stock or not, but he believes in the long-term future of the company. So he's not going to be that upset if the stock price comes down, because he thinks it can, continue to grow into the future. In the same way, if you think that it's going to continue to grow in the future, I'm sure that every single one of you guys, if you thought about it, if you had the choice for Ethereum and Shiba Inu coin and Bitcoin to very slowly just maintain its value or grow at a 1% to 2% annualized interest rate, or if you had the opportunity for Bitcoin to go down to $5,000 a coin, Shiba to go to 100 points per coin, and Ethereum to go to $300 per coin, believing in its future and believing that it will hit all-time highs again, I think that every single one of us would probably answer that we would rather see it drop down in value so that you have that opportunity to load up, and then because you believe that it's going to hit all-time highs again. Be a brutal bear market, and you're right, they can liquidate the holdings. Hey, yeah, Master Shiba, it would be brutal. Very similar, in my opinion, to what we saw from 2018 to 2020. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. I already hop in today. So much crap on the noggin. Glad to be off work and here. Chris, man, glad that you were off work and glad that you were in here, man. The weekend has begun. Chris, do you have to work on the weekends, man? Do you have to work over the weekends, or do you have the weekends off? I mean, I know you can mow a lawn any day of the week, or, landscape any day of the week, depending on what you guys got going on with mulch beds and things like that. But do you get the weekends off, or do you also work the weekends? Wanted number 2. I don't know. We got a wanted number 2 in here. Hi, Clay. I'm from Argentina. You were spot on with your comments yesterday about inflation there. I live in Vegas for the past 22 years. My family's still there. Hey, Omar Palacios, man. Clearly I don't know anybody that lives in Argentina. It's based on everything that I read there, but it's gotta be difficult. So, hey, dude, any light you want to shed on the situation down there, since you got, experience with it, please. That's what we're all here for. That's why we got these live streams, man. Live off other people's experiences and learn from other people's experiences. But yeah, dude, it's wild to see countries with inflation rates, in the 50% range and things like that. I don't know how to manage that. I don't know how you manage that. At that point, it's almost like everything's just going to start spiraling out of control and getting wilder. So if you got any advice, man, if you got any forward-looking statements, if you got any just tidbits of knowledge to share with the group, please do so, man. La lune in francés. Well, dude, I don't speak French, but I like it. La lune. What's up, bro? Chris, well, yes, man. That's why I'm asking Clay. When's the best time to get more? Pete, dude. That's the hardest answer. That's the hardest question to answer. Why? Because if Bitcoin holds this $30,000 line that it's currently at, if Bitcoin does not fall through this line, now is the best time to get it. Look at this weekly graph. You can see that we are right here at a multi-year level of support. And if it holds up, dude, this is the best time to get it. Me personally, though, I think with everything going on in the market, I think we see a drop through this level. I do. I think there's way too much going on with inflation and interest rates. I think that, there's the leadership Federal Reserve, the country, even the world, right? I don't think that they care about the stock market and crypto market. You look at all of these different institutions like World Economic Forum, and you got just anybody that's out there right now. I can't even think of one government leader that is like, yeah, we need to make sure we pump the crypto markets up or stabilize the crypto markets, stabilize the stock markets. And with everything spiraling right now, I do think we see a breakdown. If we see a break up, now's the perfect time. If we see a breakdown, this is the next major level, man. It's $10,000 range right here. A little bit of support, like a 3-4 week support line in this $20,000 range, but really not much at all between here and there. So that's why I am still very cautious about adding on. But like you say, we could be right at the perfect buying opportunity now if we don't break through. Clay, watch the news. They said Mexico is one of the few countries that inflation did not hit hard. Take one out for dinner. Juana's younger sister. I mean, I've kind of been dreaming about it. Speaking truth, not trying to sound too cocky. I think I missed it, Chris. Darn it. I'm working tomorrow, being one of the best guys at my shop. Kind of have to volunteer to. Hey, Chris, there's no cockiness about that either. Clearly, everybody does have better performers and underperformers and things like that. But hey, if you get an opportunity to work on a Saturday, or if you take in some overtime or whatever you got going on, man, or you got an opportunity just to kind of sit around and either play video games or whatever, take time to relax when you need time to relax. And if you don't need to relax, dude, build yourself up, man. Bring in some extra income, get some extra hours in, take on a little extra responsibility, whatever it is. But always make sure to relax when you do need to relax. You need the break. You can't burn yourself out. Make sure you do that too. Pudgy! So, do get Claybro a banana sticker so the little sis can see the real him. I can't purchase it for some reason. Aw, Pudgy, darn it, man. Can't purchase the banana sticker. I guess the little sis ain't gonna see any bananas today. Darn it. Claybro, Zcash will be bigger than Bitcoin too. Sam the man. I don't know if Zcash is gonna be bigger than Bitcoin. God, AMC Trapper. I hope Zcash does well, but I don't know if it's gonna be bigger than in Bitcoin there. AMC. Argentines are sadly used to those downs in the economy and high inflation. Recession here is, I don't vacation this year. There's literally no food on the table. We bliss. Hey, Omar, I do agree with you, man. I do agree with you. Not being able to take a vacation, I get it. I know people are getting hit pretty hard in some places, though, especially if your gas is like $8-9 a gallon, $7-8 a gallon right now. That does have to be hitting people pretty hard, too. But there is a difference in not knowing if you're just going to have some rice and beans for the next 4 weeks, or if you are just not going to be able to go to Florida this year. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the banana super sticker. AMC Trapper, not only am I looking at you, I am thinking about you as well. Lick and stick technique, guys. Tilt the head back a little bit. Eye contact, very important. Trapper, I got you, man. You lick and you stick. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the banana super sticker. Really appreciate that. And I guess little sis is watching. Watch out. Trying to get 50 mil. I need some Shibby. Let's get it. Pete, adding up. Good deal, man. Since November 8th, 2021, Bitcoin has been on a downward trend. When will this thing pull up? That is the question. Buck stops here. Either it pulls up now at $30,000 per coin, or if the overall market continues to spread fear, I would absolutely imagine that we see further declines. When does it stop? When investors stop being fearful. So if you think that investors are continue being fearful, I think it continues going down. If investors finally gain a little bit of confidence and find Bitcoin is at a cheap price, I think that the market turns around and starts to move higher. Jameson, Argentina is suffering under a communist government. I don't know too much about the leadership really over there, so it very well could be. When I'm single, oh my gosh, you guys are crazy. No, I'm here to promote Juana. Nice, Juana's younger sister. Good. I like it. Bala como Juana, a la cubana. Oh my gosh, what are we doing here? You guys are really testing my Spanish, aren't you? Wait, eating only rice and beans means you are poor, and here, I thought I was doing good. Chris! No, you are doing good, man. Honestly, I could probably eat a fried rice every day of my life and be happy with it. The thing is, I would need some sort of a meat in there, other than like the beans being protein. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. I tried it once, and like, dude, it was bad, man. It was bad for me. I would need some sort of a meat. Even if it was fish, salmon, some shrimp or something in that fried rice. I do love rice. I don't mind beans at all, but nah, dude, I need a different source of protein. It didn't work. You saw that, Trapper? Oh my gosh, crazy. I don't even know what I saw, man. What did I miss? I think I missed something. You have to be Trapper because he peels the banana fast. Yeah, dude, you do. I don't know about overtime for me. No more overtime for me, Clay. I don't work Saturdays. I worked overtime every day for like 6 months. When I filed taxes for that year, I had to pay almost $6,000 back. Yeah, Mr. Simon. That part sucks. That part sucks, dude. I hate paying taxes. Probably more than anybody in this chat right now. I hate paying taxes more than anybody in this chat. So I do agree. You might be at the point in your life right now where you say forget overtime. And you take your relaxing time. Absolutely nothing wrong with that either. Naked HD in the house, baby. Naked HD in the house. Has been coming in the house quite often. Bitcoin currently 29,600. Steadily going down. Yeah, if it does continue to go down, man, I know it's like steadily going down, right? But if you look at the daily chart here, it's having a very difficult time breaking through this $30,000 mark. That red line's roughly 30,000, and it's really been trying to tread water here. I'm getting the notion that it's going to fall through, but we'll have to wait and see what happens with it. Why you want meat when you have a banana? Everybody needs some meat, man. I don't know. Everybody needs some meat. Bananas are nice, but you gotta get that protein somewhere. Oh, I mean, I'm eating uncooked rice and garbanzo beans. I can't afford water, electric, or seasoning. Well, Chris, if you thought you were doing good, it's okay, man. Start a little fire in the backyard. Go to the creek down the road, boil the water, and then cook the rice, man. You're gonna be a little better off if you cook the rice. Lick and stick, lick and stick, lick and stick. John Jay likes the lick and stick. You know, the fancy things. Chris, I do know, man. Water, electricity, and seasoning. Actually, I don't care too much for the seasoning. If you're just gonna have some fried rice or whatever, you don't really need like too much seasoning. Maybe a little soy sauce and some. Oh my gosh, why can I not think of the oil? Little sesame oil and some soy sauce in there. But yeah. Can't afford the seasoning, dude. Go to your neighbor. They'll spare some seasoning for you. I do for Trap, but he said for me. What? But it said it's for me now. Ooh, Trapper said it's for you now. We have to watch and see about that. I didn't see him say that. Feel like going shopping. So tempted. Cardano, Solana, so tempting. Hey, Jay Sierra, I feel you, man. Everything is tempting right now. That's why I keep saying this $30,000 line on Bitcoin. You guys are probably going to slap me. But it's true, man. If we fall through this $30,000 line on Bitcoin, Solana's got to be in here somewhere. I would not be surprised if Solana not only falls through this $30 line, this $35 area in here. I wouldn't be surprised to see Solana, back down here at $10-15. If Bitcoin falls back down to the next level of support, down in that $10,000 range, I wouldn't be surprised to see Solana down in this range right here. So the sales can always get better. Remember that. But if it doesn't fall through, yes, we could absolutely be at the best prices available right now. And everybody's going to wish. Like, I'm going to kick myself for not adding more, thinking it's going to fall through, and it didn't. I saw and pepper once. I stole from McDonald's when I was passing by. Hey, no, that's why they got those salt and pepper packets out there, man. That's not stealing. You can take as many of those as you want. Hoorah! Nice bear market Friday to you. Shout out to all the bros all over the world in the chat. Zico, man. Shout out to Finland. Glad to have you. Definitely a down market today, man. The blood red sea shone bright today. AMC down 6%. GameStop down. Shiba Inu coin down. Bitcoin is down. Everything had a very hard day today, man. No denying that. Everything got hit pretty hard. Need to sell my house and buy all the Shib in the world. Pete, you got an expensive house, dude. You got an expensive house. Maybe perhaps even the most expensive house in the world. If you could buy all the Shib in the world. Buying at $16 salon. Nice. Jay Sierra. Listen, depending on where the overall crypto market was at that point in time, yeah, I wouldn't have a problem loading up on it either. One of my friends actually got, and I don't know if he still has it or not, but when it was at $200 a coin, he still had Solana. He got it at $2 a coin, man. Now, he didn't go out and you know, take a equity line out on his house and, you know, buy $100,000 worth or anything. But still, he saw that 100x gain. I think that's phenomenal. John J says, where's Pika? Pika, taking a little break. Pika will be back, guys. No worries there. Pika, if you're listening, definitely, you know, come back whenever you are ready. Libro, Luna has 2.0, has $43 million market cap. Why is it not in the top 10 crypto? PS5. Luna 2 has more than a $43 million market cap. Luna's crypto. Luna's crypto is currently at $1.3 billion. The new Luna 2.0. It's got a $1.3 billion market cap and a $6.5 billion fully diluted market cap. I don't know why it ranks so low. I think this might be the trending rank or something. But it is up there above $1 billion on the market cap right now. This one, the fully diluted market cap, okay, great, but it's going to be years before they get all of the coins out. So you kind of have to use this number here, the current market cap, instead of the fully diluted market cap, because they've already announced how often they're going to release those coins. Every last freaking egg, something. I think I missed the eggs. I'm going to put all my eggs in one basket of Shib. Dude, he's going to own all of the Shib in the world, man. A little banana drip for the trap then. Little banana drip for the trap. A little drip trap. A little drip trap. They are free on my way. Chris, dang it, I know I missed something. Solana came out when like... Master Shiba. Actually, I don't know the exact release date of Solana. I don't even know what year it was. I don't think that it was too long ago at all, though. Let's see. When was it first listed on CoinMarketCap? First listed on CoinMarketCap mid-2020. So April of 2020 is what we got on Solana here. Came out in the, 70 cent range or so. Really held steady in the 60 to 70 cent range. And then throughout 2020 was in that $2 range. And then, man, dude, from there it jumped up to $250. And then now it's back all the way down to $38. Could you imagine, guys? Could you imagine seeing these 2020 lows again and watching and being able to pick Solana up for $2, knowing that it's been at $200 per coin, believing in the project and getting in there? I mean, what else do we have? Imagine getting Cardano at some 2020 lows. You're sitting down here in Cardano 2020 lows. You're getting Cardano for 2 cents. You're grabbing Cardano for 2 to 3 cents, man. Knowing it jumped up to $3 per coin. We're not that far off, though. This is why I'm so concerned about, Bitcoin falling through. Look, Cardano, very, very similar action here. Cardano, if it falls through this level of support, it's going to have a little area in this 30 to 40 cent range. And then back here, you're talking the 2020 ranges, man. 10 cents per Cardano. That's crazy to think it's at 10 cents when it was just at $3 a few months ago. Another one people look at Algorand as well. Algorand, going back, you're sitting on some 2020 lows around 20 cents, 15, 20 cents. And this bad boy was well above $2 per coin. Ethereum, what were the Ethereum lows? Like $80? Ethereum lows, you're sitting down here, it's at $1,700 right now. 2020 lows in here, man. You're talking $200 back here in 2019, $150 in 2019, $80 range in 2018. Like, I'm not even talking going back here to getting Ethereum at $1. Like, imagine the guys that got Ethereum in 2015 and they're sitting on Ethereum at $1, watching it go all the way up to $5,000 a coin. But even getting in at this $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 range would be phenomenal on Ethereum. Doctor Strange was the worst movie I've seen in my life. Phantom Mining, oh my gosh. Clay, with Doctor Strange getting mixed reviews, you think that means there are more Spider-Man fans than Marvel fans? Like, not all Batman fans like DC. Oh, yeah, I do. Chris, I've not seen the new Doctor Strange, but I would say that, gosh, it is tough, man. It is tough, but I would say that I'm a bigger Spider-Man fan than like an overall Marvel fan. But at the same time, I'm also going to tell you I love every movie that I watch, so it's not like I would give it a bad review or anything, but I would say I'm a bigger Spider-Man fan than like a Thor fan, or a bigger Spider-Man fan than a Captain America fan. But I love the Captain America movies, and I love the Thor movies, and I love the Iron Man movies, and I love the Marvel, like the Avenger movies. So, and I did enjoy the Doctor Strange, and you know, I've enjoyed all those movies that I've watched. So, I wouldn't give it a mixed review, but I would classify myself as a bigger Spider-Man fan than a Marvel fan. I will apologize in advance. Forget AMC, forget the stock market. I love to all my bros here, especially Clay. Have a wonderful weekend. Hey, Crypto Rocketeer, there's no reason at all to apologize for the frustrations, man, because I can guarantee you, I think everybody in here is probably frustrated with AMC. I think everybody in here is frustrated with the stock market. I think everybody's in here is frustrated with the crypto market. Absolutely, man. You know, I booked a loss on Farmy there, and it sucks, dude. It absolutely does. But I don't think that this is the end, right? I don't think that this is the end. So I don't want to see anybody like completely giving up. But dude, express your concerns all day long, please. You love it all, regular potato. I do love it all, man. The same director from Evil Dead directed Doctor Strange. It wasn't 10 out of 10. Like probably like a 7 out of 10. Yeah, Master Shiba. I don't know too much about. Dude, I'm not like a movie critic in any form, so I wouldn't know anything about the directors and things like that. If everyone in the chats makes the purchase on the Ethereum, then the price will rise, but if you purchase the Lunas, then it won't. So that's the way Coinbase works at this time. Okay, thanks. Please try. It's okay. Yeah, D, man. I don't know if all 100 of us went out and made a purchase in a one multi-$100 billion coin, if we would even be able to dent the overall supply and demand there and make the price move up. But I do think that if if all 100 of us went out and bought a decent amount of some coin that has $1 million market cap, yeah, we probably could make a decent dent in it and drive the price up. Top Gun 218. I have heard nothing but good stuff. Like, nobody give any spoilers out here. I haven't seen Maverick or anything like that, but everybody online and in person that has said something about it said that movie was great. So I do have high expectations for that movie. I just have not seen it yet. Nobody give any spoilers or anything, but dude, you would be right based on everything that I've heard. Clay, my son loves when you say become a bro in your videos we watch together. Abel, man, that is awesome. And shout out to your son. Is it Levin or Levon? I'm not exactly sure how to say it there, man. But shout out to your son, Abel. That is awesome. Glad you guys watch the videos together and have a good time with that. Doctor Strange is awesome. If you follow Marvel Studios, you'll like Strange. Hey, I do. You know, I think that I will like it. I don't think that I have a hard time. I don't have a hard time liking movies. I think the whole world is frustrated right now. Stoney, the whole world is frustrated with something right now. I agree with that. Full on, man. Multiplicity. Oh, won't disappoint. I'm that old. Well, dude, I must not be that old because I don't even know what we're talking about here. All good, bro. If you like scary movies, I'd highly recommend to check out the newest Evil Dead. Interesting. I've not even heard of that. Emma D, thank you for the super sticker. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Emma D. Hey you. Thank you very much for that super sticker, Emma D. I need to bring that pair of sunglasses back up here. I don't know why it still sits on that desk downstairs. I need it on the desk up here so I can do that super sticker properly, Emma D. Yeah. It was dope. Ryan said it was dope. You talking about Evil Dead? You talking about something else? No. We still wouldn't make a dent in anything. Even $1 million Greg, we might not, man. We might not. If we all went out and dropped, $1,000, we could make a dent. That would be a nice 10% change there. Afternoon, Nick F coming in the chat late today, saying afternoon with 5 minutes left. Nice, Nick F. Emma Durock in the house. Yes, AMC will do her thing when she's ready. She's being an annoying little She is being annoying right now, but the overall market's being extremely annoying too. Obi-Wan is killing it. Obi-Wan is killing it? What do we got going on here? Top Gun is very good. Broke Memorial Day. Yeah, Chris. It did break the Memorial Day weekend record, and I've heard a couple people talking about it, and I have heard nothing but good things about it. Seem very optimistic about Lunk, and that makes me feel good about my investment. Are you telling me what I want to hear? Nofil Marzagui. So, in a sense, yes, okay, I am optimistic on what Lunk or Luna Classic can do, but you need to realize, and hopefully you don't, overlook it every time I say that it has the possibility of going up. I try my best to remind everyone that it is more of a gamble and not necessarily an investment. If you were investing in something, you're investing in growth. You're investing in what the project is, or what the company can do, or what can become of the coin. Luna Classic is different because that project has been abandoned and they've moved over to Lunaterra 2.0. So knowing that nobody is trying to build up Luna Classic makes it dangerous in the sense that it's strictly going to be bought and sold based on price action. Now, we have seen some extremely explosive gains based on price action in meme coins like Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin and so on. So, comparing the two, if you're looking at Luna Classic and you're looking at massive gains in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin, what do you have to look for? Community. The amount of people that are willing to buy, the amount of excitement that surrounds it. And Luna Classic, it's got that. It does have that. Trending across social media, a self-proclaimed lunatic trader base or buyer base. So it's a gamble, but it could pay off with some massive gains. So that's why I do recommend not buying any more than you are definitely willing to lose. That's why I say if you guys do want to get Luna Classic, use the link in the description, grab your $50 in free Bitcoin, and then maybe take a $50 exposure to it. You got a net zero exposure at that point. Even if you lose everything in Luna Classic, you still made your $50 in Bitcoin and essentially broke even. So, in a sense, yes, I'm telling you, it's kind of a confirmation bias there because I do think that it can go up in price as well. But don't ignore the part where it is a risky trade. It's not an investment where you're buying something that is growing. It's a price trade. Better late than never. Yes, always better when Nick F is here too. Last few minutes of Clay to the 2-day drought. Oh no, we don't need a 2-day drought, man. You guys got videos. Don't worry about that. Clay is sexy. Kendall, thank you, man, I guess. Well, I have to go back to work. This has been a sweet drop in. Thanks, bro, for bringing your awesome positivity every day. Regular potato, man. Glad to have you in here for real. Enjoy the rest of your workday. We're going to cut off here in 2 minutes anyway. So enjoy the rest of your workday. Get ready to start the weekend and enjoy that as well, man. Just getting the live. Stream anything new on Shib. So, Ryan, not during the stream. In the video that I'm going to do tonight, I'm going to address a little bit of what's going on with Ryoshi and the fact that there seems to be this feud going on between Ryoshi and Satoshi and, kind of the negativity and the frustration that it's, I guess, growing within the Shiba Inu coin community. And it all relates back to the price action. And, the price has been coming down for quite a while. It's still relatively stagnant. I mean, you're talking this run right here was only 1070 to 1090, 20 points on this entire thing. So it has been tough for price action lately. Yo, Clay, just stopped to say, have a great weekend, boss. Life of a noble man. You as well, dude. I hope everybody enjoys their weekend out there. Same. I have 1 million Luna Classic. Archer of a Mystery 707. Good deal, man. As long as you guys... Hey, I'm cool if you guys go get 1 billion Luna Classic. As long as you understand the risk and as long as you are, understanding what you're buying and investing in, dude, who am I to say whether or not you guys could go drop $10 or $10,000? You know what I mean? Like, you guys are all adults. You know how to invest your money. I just want to make sure that everybody understands what they're buying. And thank you, mods, for getting rid of these Naked HD chats, man. I can't believe these guys been jumping in all day. Better chance than a lot. Yeah. Jay Sierra, I do agree with that part. You may not win, $100 million like you would playing the lottery, but you have a better than 1 in a 100 million chance of making money on Terra Luna Classic. look at it as a lottery ticket play. But if you invest $50 and you walk away with $5,000 or 50,000, dude, that is a sick gain. I mean, if you invest $50 in the lottery, you're guaranteed to lose that $50 because it's won 170, like 1 in 100 million of winning anything. Let's see here. When next AMC video? JJ, I don't know. When do you guys want another AMC video? I know a lot of people, man. They've been moving on to different AMC creators too. Have a great weekend. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. I'm going to have to go get the videos ready for this evening. I do want to say thank you. I believe I'm going to be cooking some ribs this evening, so I'll probably be busy for the next 2 hours cooking some ribs, making some videos, enjoying those things, and I hope that you guys enjoy your weekend as well. So get your name in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs after I say Daniel Combs, man. Thank you for the super chat. Click. Can I get a cat meow impression? That you do, Daniel. Absolutely. Daniel, you could have sent the cat, dude. The cat's like, what, $1? And super chat's 10? Well, heck yeah, you can get a cat impression. Daniel, for you? Meow. 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 Daniel's getting 5. Meow. Meow. Daniel, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Daniel's like, let's start this weekend off right. Let's start it off with a little meow action, man. Really appreciate that, dude. Daniel, thank you. Shout out to you. Diddy do that. Craig Wayne, Jay Sierra, AMC Trapper, throwing the cats in the chat right now. Daniel thinks Clay's a pretty kitty. Emma D. Well, I think we got it, man. Archer, darn, Dan. Yes, Archer, see you later. Craig, Chris, enjoy your weekend as well. Stony, Vision, send me a stack of ribs. I got you, man. Come on over. You can have as much as you want. Chris, AMC video tonight. Maybe. Chris, oh my gosh. JJ says... Oh, JJ scared me in the chat like that, dude. I don't know why you gotta come around. Oh, man. Gosh, JJ, thank you very much for the super sticker. Is this YouTube or OnlyFans? Sometimes I don't even know where the line is drawn, Archer. Sometimes I don't even know. Juana Silva. Gosh, I was hoping Juana was still in here. Juana, you got to stop sending these super stickers, though, for real. Juana, just get in the chat. I promise you, I want you in the chat, Juana. I promise you, I do. No super stickers needed. Thank you very much, Juana. Peace out to you. You and your younger sister. Enjoy your day. And enjoy your weekend. Oh my gosh. Disfruto de tu escena. I don't even know what this one is. Somebody help me. Somebody help me with this one. Disfruta. I don't know what this one is. I gotta find out. Good. Good on this one. Enjoy your day. Nice. Man, you guys are good. I had to use translator. You guys know you're Spanish. Thank you very much, Juana. I will. Really appreciate that. I hope you enjoy your dinner as well. Wish you were coming over for some ribs, but I mean, not tonight, right? Not tonight. Maybe some other time. I do make good ribs, though. I'm not going to lie, Juana. Not going to lie. And thank you guys for translating that for me and not lying to me. Really appreciate that. Enjoy your dinner. Yes, it means enjoy your dinner. Thank you very much. Everybody that speaks Spanish in the chat, really appreciate you guys. What's going on, Martin? We are leaving now. Let me know when you want to learn how to cook ribs. Pudgy, I want to learn now, man. I want to learn now. Please teaching me. Juana calling in overtime. Juana is calling in overtime tonight, man. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. Archer, really appreciate that. Hammer left. Let's start the weekend right with one more red mark. No more red markets. We need green markets, guys. Green markets. I'm a coconut, so I hope I'm right. Something about that. Yeah, I think that's good, right? Diddy214, you gotta be right, man. Love your positivity, Clay. Enjoy the rest of your day. RJT, enjoy your weekend, man. And everybody out there, you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.